Hey guys, my name is Rihanna and welcome to my channel. This hair is from the Sunflower Girl store on Amazon and it comes in this pink bag. It also comes with eyelashes, a headband, and 2 wig caps. The wig is a 13x4 Brazilian water wave human hair lace front. It's also 18 inches and 150% density. The hair is soft and has some brown hair throughout, and the curls look good so far. This is medium brown Swiss lace and it has baby hairs. The inside of the wig has 4 combs and adjustable straps. The hair does smell like perfume or something was sprayed on it, and now I'm about to wet the hair. This is how much hair came out while I was wetting the hair. I'm also going to spray some of this Hawaiian Silky Miracle Worker on the hair to help define the curls. I put my wig cap and wig on and adjusted it to my liking. Then I cut off the lace. I'll be using this Got To Be Ultra Glue Gel to glue down the front of the wig. And this Style Factor Edge Booster to do my edges. After that, I use this Maybelline Fit Me foundation on my part. Then I wet the wig a little and tied my hair down. And this is the final look. The part does look good to me, but I'm not crazy about this wig. Something is off about it. I don't really like the curls. They don't seem to be that defined and are a little stiff and crunchy. But let me know what you guys thought about the wig, and if you haven't already, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thank you so much for watching. See you next time.